Hello everyone, and welcome to this new section of web development series by Tech. Okay, so this session is more like the next session you meet after JavaScript. Okay, so if you have not really gone through the previous ones, I urge you to please go back to the videos and make sure you start from the scratch if you really want to stand out in being a professional web developer. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce us to a new course, and this is called React. Okay, so basically React JS or React JavaScript is just a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Okay, as you can see here, and I'm just on this website legacy.reactjs.org. Okay, so just come to this website in case you want to go ahead with the documentation and just go ahead and read all you need to read, and that will just be it. However, you can just decide to follow up the tutorials and then get what you want done. Okay, by the way, like I said, you can just come to legacy.reactjs.org and you can just go ahead and click on get started, and it will take you to this page. You can just go ahead and click on it and go through the documentation. It's quite good and advisable, okay, for you to always learn to read documentations. All right, so without further ado, I would like us to go straight into the main view. Okay, right now I'm gonna show us how we are gonna run our first application, our first React application. Okay, like I said, the React JS is more like a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Okay, it's not like a pure JavaScript. Okay, but how it's just a mixture of JavaScript, HTML. Okay, so JavaScript and HTML. All right, called JXX. All right, so that being said, I want you to also come to this website. Okay, this website is actually Create React App Dev. Okay, so this is just the website, as you can see on my link here. Okay, my address bar rather. So just click on there, or you can just go ahead and do the exact thing I will do right now in this video. Okay, so let me try to explain what this Create React is. Okay, Create React application or Create React JS application is actually a way to kickstart any project at all. Okay, so any project you want to do at all, you want to do maybe a landing page, you want to do an e-commerce website, you want to do a school website, anything at all is advisable. You just come here and then go ahead and create a new application for it. So there are so many ways to create a new application for React. Okay, there is Create React app, there is Yarn Create, there is Shoot. Okay, there are so many of them. All right, but for today and for the sake of this tutorial, we are gonna make use of Yarn Creates. Okay, as you can see, they have this NPS Creates. Okay, and then they have Yarn Create. Okay, so I'm gonna make use of this Yarn Create because it's more like faster. Okay, it's more like faster than this NPS Create React app. Okay, but both of them will actually do the same thing for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this thing. Okay, when I copy it, I will just go ahead and click on this place. If I click on it, I will just open my Visual Studio Code in case you haven't opened yours. Go ahead and open it and create a folder. You can call it any folder at all, and then Command J if you're on Mac to open your terminal, or Control J to open your terminal if you're on Windows. Okay, you can now go ahead and paste in that text you copied, which is Yarn Create React App My App. Okay, so this Yarn Create React App is actually compulsory for you to have. However, this My App is more like the name of the application you are trying to create. Okay, so I can decide to say it's gonna be tutorial. In my own case, I'm just gonna say maybe React tutorial. I can just say React and then hyphen. I cannot give a spacing in between. No, I don't say hyphen tutorial. Okay, so after that, as you can see, Yarn Create React App, then the name of my application, as you can see. So it says here the name of my application is React tutorial. So when I hit this enter button, just notice what happened. Just make sure you're connected to internet, of course, and then under here, notice this folder is empty. You will notice that there will be another folder created. Okay, and inside that folder will be this things installing. Okay, this things installing will now be found inside that folder, and those things will not enable us to run our application from the scratch. Okay, will help us to run. It's just, as you can see, it has already created the folder for me here, as you can see, and it's actually downloading so many things, and it can take a while depending on your network. All right, it can take a minute, 2 minutes, just depending on your network. So make sure you have a strong network or internet connection, and it will go ahead and install all these things for you. Okay, so React, actually, you might want to ask, React has been used so greatly across the web, and so many companies make use of React. Okay, so many companies make use of React in their development. All right, so many known companies out there make use of React. If you might want to say, let's go to google.com, and let's just go straight to google.com, and just see how many companies uses React. As you can see, they are mentioning about approximately 8,000 companies worldwide. Okay, they make use of React in their development. As you can see, React is actually a popular library that one can actually make use of in development, and also the market value, okay, of React developers is very high. Okay, so learning React is actually a good choice, immediately you are done with your JavaScript lessons. Okay, so let's see whether this is already done. As you can see, it's still loading. We'll wait for it to finish. Okay, we'll wait for it to finish, and then until then, we'll meet with you. All right, and welcome back. As you can see, this is done. All right, and now when you go back to the documentation somewhere, yeah, you will notice that this is exactly what it is telling us to tell you that this was created successfully. Okay, so check yours if it's telling you the same thing, and as you can see, it is saying here success uninstalled package, and then followed by done in this, and then created gits, commits, and all the rest of it. Okay, just make sure that you are seeing happy hacking, and then followed by some timing here. Okay, so when you are seeing that, just know that you are done creating your basic React application. Okay, trust me, this is just it, and you are set. Okay, so there is just one more thing to do. That is to actually change your directory, which is this CD. Okay, CD means change of directory, or you can say change directory. So right now, as you can see here, I'm actually on the YouTube folder. Okay, more like YouTube folder, which is this one, and I need to enter into React tutorial folder. That is actually the folder I created. Okay, now actually my project, my main project folder. All I have to do is to go ahead and say CD. As you can see, they wrote it there. I can just copy it actually, and then click here. Just notice what will happen to my admins here. As you can see, it just changed automatically to what? React tutorial. Before it was actually on YouTube, but now I have changed my directory to inside where React tutorial. Okay, so if I type in ls, it means list out some things inside that folder. So inside the folder, you can see readme, you can see node module, you can see package design, you can see public source, YAML, and all the rest of it. Okay, so that is actually what you are seeing here. Okay, and I can just hit on command J to clean this. So next thing I should do is to just start my application. Just go ahead and come here, and I'll say yarn followed by start, and I'll click enter. I need to just go ahead and open the browser on its own. Okay, as you can see, it's opening the browser on a local host of 3000, and then automatically it just did that. Okay, so I'm just at this point gonna say congratulations to you. You have just run your first React application. Okay, so let's still come to this place. As you can see from here, it says edit application.js or app.js, that is inside source folder. Okay, so this is more like a file, and this is a folder, and then save and reload. You gotta see the magic right now. If you just go ahead and come to the source, you know what they're talking about. Come here and then come to the app that they're talking about. Let me see. I just go ahead and say learn it's all learn React. I'm just gonna say hello world. Okay, if I save this without doing any other thing, I just saved it, and as you can see, it's automatically compiled by itself, and then when the compilation is completed, it goes ahead and refresh the web by itself, and as you can see, it seems here will not work. So what does it tell us? It tells us that this is real time, as you are just done editing the application and saving it out, it automatically updates the web. Okay, so this is basically what you need to know about how to create your own React application from the scratch. Okay, thank you so much for staying tuned. And once again, I'm just gonna say congratulations to you for creating your own application, your own basic React application, at least a startup. Okay, I will see you right in the next video and episode. make sure you do subscribe in case you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, and in the next video I will tell us much more things you need to do, and on how we can also improve on our React application. Okay, and subsequent videos will now tell us what and what more React comprises of, and then how to make use of them. See you right in the next video. Thank you.